First, use our delivery tool to pry open the cover. Pry it up from the side. Here you only need to remove the 3 screws of the lid body. After removing the cover. After removing the 3 screws, the lid case can be removed. Here are 2 lines connecting. You can remove the lid after removing it. When we put on our spare tire cover, just reconnect these 2 wires back. The next step is to remove this bracket. Notice here that one of these is a burglar nut. Just unscrew it using our onboard tool. Align the bottom case of our spare tire cover with the hole. And then, we put this mark with 4 screws and a camera, also dismantled. Then inside the shell, stick our shock-resistant cotton along the edge. Put 4 gaskets before installing the tires. Put it back on the tire. Attach the camera to our spare tire housing. Here you need to use 2 self-tapping screws to fix. And then I put the logo on my spare shell. All the screws here are from the original car screws. Install the bracket back. Then connect the 2 wires back as they were. Lock the 3 screws of the original car. Align the hole and install the back cover plate. Installation complete.